Hey friends, Dr. Nancy Trimbley here with Dr. Caleb Macon, Trimbley Chiropractic. You know what totally breaks my heart, what is tragic, is when you out there think you're unhelpable because the medical system is designed just to keep you going back to them and not designed to make you well. I have a friend, her name is Chris. She called me recently and said, "Oh my gosh, Nancy, I have to tell you, I was told I have stenosis. It's so horrible." I said, "Chris, I can help you." She goes, "No, you can't. No, you can't. They said nothing will help. I have stenosis." And no matter what I said to her about what I could do, she was convinced she's unhelpable. This is tragic. And the fact of it is that there's one thing called spinal degeneration, which has probably 6 different names. Degenerative disc disease, degenerative joint disease, spondylosis, stenosis, arthritis, osteoarthritis. It is all the same thing, and yes, it is helpable, and it can be debilitating if you don't take care of it. It can cause you not to be able to walk, to have a lot of pain, to have numbness in your legs, to have foot pain, to have leg cramping. If it's from your neck, that part of your spine, it could cause you to have immobility, neck pain, headaches, arm tingling, dropping things, numbness, weakness. So it is totally helpable. And I have to apologize because for years I was working on spinal stenosis and arthritis and all the things I mentioned, but it wasn't until recently where I really pushed the level of care that we have up and got the state-of-the-art spinal regeneration decompression machine, which is called DRX. The DRX is state-of-the-art, and there is not another one for 50 miles from here. There's some kind of crappy ones around. They're decompression devices. I know because that's what I started with, and it's okay, but man, the DRX is like comparing a tricycle to a Porsche. The DRX is the Porsche. And one of the things that Dr. Caleb liked about our office is that we had that technology. Do you want to talk about that for a minute?
Yeah, of course. So, like Dr. Nancy was saying, the DRX is just not comparable to any other decompression or spinal regeneration machine out there. One of the things that I like about chiropractors is we adjust patients and help you guys get moving, but also we can use machines like this that will give you guys longer lasting benefits. And one of the things about the DRX is it's top of the line. Nobody else around this area has it. A lot of chiropractors just don't even have decompression tables at all, and let alone having, a top of the line one like we have here. So that was one of the things that when I saw and heard that and researched that, I was like, oh yeah, I need to be involved with this machine somehow or some form. So it was awesome.
Yeah, we are having an event this week on Thursday. It's called Restore the Ride. So here's the connection. We are having a classic car show. Because classic cars take restoration to get them drivable, keep them beautiful, keep them running smoothly. And guess what you need? You need restoration too to keep you beautiful, keep you graceful, to keep you running smoothly. So Restore the Ride is a classic car show, but designed to introduce people to our DRX. If you are a current patient and we know a little bit about you at least, you can get a free DRX sample, meaning we put you on this gorgeous, beautiful table, and it just does a tiny little stretch at your spine, exactly at the spine level where you need it, whether it's your neck or your lower back. Just 10 minutes to try it out. If you bring a friend with you that's never been here, we will offer them a credit to a brand new account so they can check us out and be a new patient of ours. If you are a current patient and you want to get an adjustment, we're going to give you a cash bonus too. So come to the car show just to see the cars, just to see me, just to meet Dr. Caleb, get an adjustment, try out the DRX, and I guarantee you will be amazed. And just welcome to the new classification of what Trimbley Chiropractic is becoming and has always been the standard of care for you, and we are setting the bar high. So be well. Bye for now.